हाय किड्स। इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे कैपिटल लेटर A, B, C, A to Z. Kids, let's learn colors name. Green, black, blue, purple, yellow, orange, red, light green, pink, sky blue, brown. Kids, this is letter A. A for apple. B. This is letter B. B for ball. Letter C. C for cat. Kids, this is letter D. D for duck. Now we are tracing letter E. E for elephant. Kids, this is letter F. F for fish. This is letter G. G for goat. This is letter H. H for horse. I for ice cream. This is letter J. J for juice. This is letter K. K for kangaroo. This is letter L. L for lion. Kids, this is letter M. M for monkey. Kids, this is letter N. N for nest. Kids, this is letter O. O for orange. This is letter P. P for parrot. Letter Q. Q for coin. This is letter R. R for rose. Kids, this is letter S. S for sun. Letter T. T for tiger. This is letter U. U for umbrella. This is letter V. V for van. Kids, this is letter W. W for well. X. X for xylophone. This is letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,